In today's guide, I'll walk you through the steps to resolve this problem and get your Wi-Fi adapter back up and running. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Restart your computer. Sometimes, a simple reboot can solve connectivity issues. Step 2. Check for hardware issues. Ensure the Wi-Fi adapter is properly connected to your computer or laptop. Step 3. Scan for hardware changes in Device Manager. Right-click on your computer name and select Scan for hardware changes. Step 4. Update your drivers. Right-click on the missing Wi-Fi adapter, select Update Driver, and follow the prompts to install the latest drivers. Tip for compatibility. If the issue persists, check compatibility. Some Wi-Fi adapters might not be supported by certain versions of Windows. Consider checking the manufacturer's website for compatibility information. And there you have it, a few troubleshooting steps to resolve the Wi-Fi adapter not showing up in Device Manager on Windows 10, 11, or 7. Hopefully, this helps you regain connectivity. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.